Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. We got another TMG trailer rolling out shop today. This one going on my man Greg C. About to load it up on a trailer, ship it to him, guys. Yes, we ship. Even if it's a trailer, we will get it to you no matter where you are. Now, first off, guys, let's go over the TMG trailer package, all right? We got several different sizes of trailer for anywhere from a 2,000-pound axle all the way up to a 21,000-pound axle trailer. We will build them all. All right, this is our 3,500-pound setup. Pretty good size trailer here. Greg did add a couple things extra to the trailer. You always get some storage up here and storage on the back side. Now, he did add a single propane burner. All right, so we got single 10-inch burner. I offered him a griddle top. He didn't want it. He already had one, so that's all good. Got a holder up here for his propane tank as well. Just got one regulator on it. So there, come around to the smoker here. Fridge 60, cabinet style, guys. That's what our fridge model is, cabinet door style. With all of our fridges, you get 3 sliding trays in here. A lot of cook room in this unit. Does have a fire poker in there as well. This is a reverse flow cooker. That means smoke goes all the way across the bottom and back out of the stack. TMG Pits Tell Truth thermometers in each door there. Does have a stainless steel front shelf on it. That's an upgrade. Speaking of stainless steel, we got a custom logo right there on the side as well. Come back here to the hot box. This is our 30-inch hot box. Now on the Fridge 60, you get an extra large hot box here. So that's over 2,000 square inches of cook space. Still the same setup, runs independent from the smoke chamber. So you can be cooking at 2 different temperatures at once. He also opted for our insulated firebox on the Fridge model. Still got your fire management cradle in there as well. Then on the back side of the trailer, he got a shelf above his wood storage. So this is just wire mesh here. We can do it in stainless as well. He just wanted the wire mesh, so got a little place to prep off of, serve off of, set stuff down. Still got a lot of storage underneath, goes all the way up to the front. Matching spare tire up there as well. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.